Hi, I'm Dave McIntosh, and I love spending time in nature. Come with me as I take you on another one of my adventures. Not far from here, a week or so ago, I had an encounter with a Cooper's hawk while it consumed a small bird. It is one of the hawks here in Southwestern Ontario that I want to talk about in this video. Come along and enjoy this adventure with me. Before I begin, if you like my videos, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. There are 8 common hawks in Southwestern Ontario, and a few not so common. The red-tailed, the rough-legged, the red-shouldered, the sharp-shinned, Cooper's, broad-winged, American goshawk, northern harrier, and pigeon hawk or merlin, but I am only going to share with you some encounters with a couple of them. One day I was walking through a local park and I had an encounter with a pigeon hawk or merlin. It is smaller and yet a lot like the Cooper's hawk. I saw it sitting in this tree along a trail, but only saw it from the back. So I gradually worked my way around to where I could see it from the front and got some very good photos of it. I'm not sure why, but it gave me lots of opportunity to take its picture. The red-tailed hawks are the most common hawks in this area. You see them all year round, sitting on hydropoles or wires or in trees along the side of roads. They are probably the most common hawk in North America. While you see them all the time, you don't get to see them close up very often, because as soon as they see you, and they can see you from a long way away, they are off to where you aren't. They mostly feed on small animals like squirrels or rabbits, but also feed on mice and voles. Their keen eyesight allows them to see a mouse running along the ground through the grass from high on a limb of a tree. Then, with extreme accuracy, they drop out of the sky and capture their prey. When you see them on a fence post, they have just caught something and are there to eat it. You will often see them soaring above with their eyes on the ground, searching for some food. I'm amazed when I see them sitting on the top of a small tree or branch. I wonder how they can keep their balance and not break the branch. I have seen them many times dropping out of the sky and grabbing something on the ground as I drove along the road, but it is very much by chance to get a picture of one doing that. On several occasions, I have had some close encounters with Cooper's hawks. Now, they are a pretty bird, but they are also very hard on the small bird population, as that is their primary food source. One day I was walking along a trail at a local park, and one flew past me and landed on a branch that stretched across the trail. I couldn't believe it. I slowly moved forward and was able to enjoy some time with it. Another time, in a different area of the park, I knew a pair was nesting there, so I was looking for them and was rewarded by seeing the female near the nest. Then right behind me was the male sitting on a low branch, resting for several minutes between supplying food for the female. After spending some time with it, it decided to leave and flew right over my head. I had a third encounter just recently as I heard one calling and was able to zero in on it and watch it for several minutes as it feasted on a bird. Nothing was going to disturb its meal, and then it was off to find something else on the menu. While I enjoy seeing them and enjoy their beauty, and I know the food cycle is part of nature, I really don't like it when they camp out where I enjoy spending time with all my songbird friends.